going to tell you about our high school, Torre Vicens, in Lleida.
Hi, we are Julia and Lydia, and our favorite part of school is the gym.
Here we do sports like basketball, volleyball and football.
And we love playing tennis!
Hello, we are Victor and Anna, and we are going to tell you about the science lab.
In the science lab, we study chemistry, biology and physics.
Science is my favorite subject!
What's up? My name is Paula and her name is Chenia. We want to have a chat about the music room.
There are a lot of instruments here. We use them to learn how to play music.
I play the saxophone.
And I am learning to play the clarinet.
Hi there, we are Noah and Abril, and we're going to tell you about our classroom. In this classroom, we can draw and paint.
And we study photography too!
Hey guys, we are Maria and Aina. Our school also has a library.
In this place, we can study, read, and do research.
So that's all. See you soon.